Ahoy there, Crafty crew! I'm the Craftacular creator, and today we're sailing into something a little extra fun. We're making a treasure map card, and yes, there is buried treasure hidden inside. In this video, I'll show you how I created an authentic looking map background, used a bit of Copic colouring magic, and added a sneaky interactive flap for a hidden surprise. But before we go hunting for treasure, please give that like button a little click, comment below, share this video with your crafty mates and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support truly means the world to me. It keeps this ship afloat after all. For today's project, I'm using my favourite supplies: Lawn Fawn's Ahoy Matey stamp set, Stitch Trails dies, Lifter Flap dies and a piece of parchment style paper. Let's start with the background. I used Distress Oxide in tea dye to give the parchment a nice aged look, like it's been through a few salty sea voyages. I went in with my ink pouncers a bit more heavy handed to get that uneven splotchy texture. It really sells the found on an abandoned ship vibe. Then I carefully tore around all four edges to make it feel worn and weathered. No scissors here, we're going full pirate map mode. Next, I wanted to add a fun interactive element. Off screen, I die cut the lifter flap panel. I flipped it over and secured it with some low tack tape to hold it in place. Then I placed the stitch trail dies right where I wanted the treasure trail to be. These don't cut, they leave a stitched path behind, like the classic dotted line you'd find on a treasure map. So much fun. Time to colour some classic treasure map elements. I stamped all of the images onto Nina Classic Crest £80 cardstock in Memento Tuxedo ink. And I made a quick Copic swatch chart which I'll show on screen while I colour so you can see exactly which shades I'm using. The caps will also be able to be seen on screen most of the time. For the base layers, I added a piece of Lawn Fawn Gold Rush cardstock for that bit of sparkle, just like gold coins peeking out from the sand, and a layer of ground coffee cardstock to give the whole thing some contrast. This card is a 5x7, so there's plenty of room to play with. But just when I thought I was finished, I had that classic crafter moment. Looked at it again and realised something was missing. So back I went, stamping and colouring a few more characters. I fussy cut them and added some foam squares to the backs. The parrot is holding the flap closed on one side and the pirate girl is anchoring the other. I also added a few more sentiments, happy birthday and ahoy matey, right on the map panel. It just ties everything together and adds to the theme. For a finishing touch, I stamped a few wavy accents to give it that extra at sea feel. Now for the final check. Does the flap open and close? Yes! Smooth as a calm tide. The interactive element works perfectly and the card is complete. This card was inspired by episode 256 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. It's an A7 card, bright hippie colours here and there, pirates on an island looking for treasure, and the chest is made of wood. If you haven't checked out Craft Roulette yet, I highly recommend it. So much inspiration and you never know what creative twist you'll get. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to get clicky for Vicky. Your support means everything. Until next time, happy crafting and may all your cards be filled with gold, glittery or otherwise. Ta-ta for now.